some surprise toys to open up here. And we got Kaden as a guest. She is visiting from Ohio.
Yeah.
So, Kaden, you want to open one of these surprise eggs?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with this yellow one.
Yellow egg.
Oh God. It's
A Peanuts movie toy peppermint patty.
Yep.
My turn. I think
Oh, that one sounds cool.
Ooh, we got
Candy, Smarties.
Smarties. Ooh, Yokai and Watch Metal.
Then we have
Quit.
another one.
And another one, it's Comazon.
Comazon. My turn.
So pick another one.
Crap. I'm gonna go for the boil. We have a cat.
A Princess Palace pet.
Oh crap. Your turn.
Think about this. We got a Minion. He's looking pretty good in that suit, Kevin. Okay, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe to Aubrey.